All right, welcome once again to my channel. This is Efforgot Joseph. In this video, I'll be showing you how to place an ad on Chat3 to promote your airdrop. How to place an ad on Chat3 to promote your airdrop. So I'll be showing you especially using I'm going to use magnet as a sample. So you pay attention to how this is going to be done. All right, in my previous video on how to participate in Xenea airdrop, I already showed you something about Xenea, how to join Xenea. You'll be wondering what's the connection between Chat3 that I'm talking about and Xenea, because there is a connection between the two of them. First of all, Xenea is a platform and Chat3 is eventually connected to it as part of the social activities you're going to do. So if you have not watched that video, just go and watch it. And in that particular video too, you might not see Chat3, but it shows you that there are a series of things you need to do. As of the time I shot that video, Chat3 was not there already, but understanding this video will also help you to know why we needed to add it. Okay, let's just go to our Xenea. Here is the Xenea link here. Here is the Xenea link. We're going to click on Xenea and go to the Xenea platform. All right, log in. And then we click on this area, ongoing gem campaign, to open it. Good. So in this place, when you come to Xenea, although this is not about Xenea, when you come here, you claim your gems every day. After that, you go to missions, which is in this area. Open the mission. Okay, so let's open the missions. Now, if you scroll to the side, you see here, sorry. If you scroll, you see this is the logo for Chat3. All right, let's scroll again. Okay. So in this missions area, you will click on community. When you click on community, it takes you to the Chat3 area. Meanwhile, before you do this, if you have watched the previous video, you understand that there are a lot of things you need to do. You need to do these social activities. This Xenea S account, you need to connect Discord, Xenea, and the rest. And so eventually you can link your Chat3 account too, because you will be given a chance to create your Chat3 account. Or if you don't have that, I will give you the link to create both your Xenea account and your Chat3 or thereabout, and then we'll move ahead. So let's go ahead now. Now that you are here and that you click on community, it will automatically take you to the Chat3 area. So let's click on it now. So you can see now we are in Chat3. Okay, we are in Chat3, and that is why you are seeing this logo here. Okay, so on getting to this place, what do we do? Look at the 4 links on the lower part of this interface. The first one is the home. The second one, you see a link to the social areas, and then the next one you see a link to the wallet, and then you see a link to the messages or thereabout. Okay, so first of all, just scroll. You see that there are some ads here, but this is not the area we want to use. When you click on this other area, you will see so many of the ads. Okay, you can see them now. So your ad is supposed to be in this area if you have one. You can see, let's just look at the ones we have here. By default, this Chat3 is always here. It is pinned to the top. So every other ad you're going to do will be under it. Now you can see this one talking about airdrop, offline ID, and whatever. And then you see the next one talking about blow guy, jack, or whatever. You now see about another one, whoop, whoop, whoop. These are all adverts. So how do you place your own adverts if you want to do one? Okay, you come here and you click on this plus sign. Okay, when you click on that plus sign, it will not ask you whether to create a post or live stream. You click on post. Okay, so if you click on post, it says what is in your mind. Now I already copied what I want to paste here. I'll just paste it here. Okay, you can see everything, including the link and the rest that I want to post. After all those ones, I just scroll and get to this button. Whatever I want to put, I just use this button to post it. But before then, if I want to add, okay, that is because there's a link to that video. That's why you see that's popping up. Okay, if I want to add images from my wallet, sorry, from my gallery, I will just click on this one, and that takes me to where I want to pick my image from. I add the image. All right, but I'm not going to do this ad now because I already have one that is ongoing. But the one that is ongoing, I want to show you what I will add to that. Okay, I will show you what I will add to that particular one. So let me cancel this one that I'm doing now. You already understood that this is what you need to do. All you just need to do is to click on this arrow that is supposed to be for posting. This particular arrow here, you just click it and your ad will go live. So I already have one that is live, so I will cancel this and go to that particular one. Okay, so if I come here now, sometimes I might not see my ad again. I'm not seeing it anymore because it has gone down. So because it was live before, this is a simple way for me to just look for it. So I simply click on the last message icon here. If I click it, you will see some of these messages that I have received before. Okay, oh, why is it not active? It is supposed to be active. Okay, now it's active. You can see it now. You see that these are likes and retweet and whatever, repost and whatever of the previous one that I just did. If I click any of this one, it takes me directly to that particular post. Okay, now look at it. Let me just click on one of them. So you can see this is the one that has been here. You can see that video stuff that was there now because I copied it. Now this one now is already down and you cannot see it. The new ones that are posted keep coming up. So what do I do to make this one to be visible for people to easily see and click on it? I will need to boost this post. So I will click this one, boost post. Okay, if I say boost post, I would need like at least $1 worth of Solana to boost it. So if I have $1, $2, depending on whether there are other adverts before that I want to overtake. If I meet an advert that is 1.2, I will need to make my own like 1.25 or 1.3 to go above that one. So how do I place it now that I want to boost it? Now, if you look at this wallet sign that I talked about before, this wallet sign here, let's click it. Now you can see here, I already have an active wallet. In my active wallet, I have money already. You can see it. That is $7.2, $7.12 worth of Solana, which is also reflected here. But how do I fund this wallet before I can use it to make that advert? So I will simply come to this place that says receive. Okay, I will click on that receive. Now you can see the address here that is in this place. So you click on this button and copy. Then go to your wallet and send Solana into this wallet. So it depends on how much of the Solana you want to send, whether $5 worth, whether $2, $3, $4, $10 worth, depending on how many adverts you want to make. You send it into here, you wait, and the thing will reflect before you now go back to that ad that you want to boost. Okay, so back to our boosting, we'll simply click on this button that says boost. So when we boost, we'll click and it brings us to our wallet. Now, before you can use it to send, you also have to watch, because sometimes you want to boost even when you have money in your wallet, it doesn't show anything. Then you think that your money is gone, but you always have to look at this place. Now I want to boost, there is a balance here. So if you don't see this balance, you will try to not work. You have to come back again, or if you try and refresh your page before you can use that. So now that we have balance in our wallet and Solana is also showing here, we have to click on this place and adjust the money we want to use. Okay, so we'll click on it now and put 0.008, okay, or 0.007. That will give us $1.12 worth of Solana. So now let's see if it will work. So after you have added that amount, you click on this button that says boost. So let's click it. Good. Can you see now? It's boosted. It says successfully boosted. So if you want to add more later, while the ad is still running, you don't want it to stop, you can still use boost more, whatever. But we have successfully boosted our ad now. So let's go back to check if it's reflecting. Now you can see when we came earlier, there was nothing here. The only thing we saw was boost, but now you can see $1.123, meaning that this ad is boosted now. It's going to run for the next 24 hours. After 24 hours, it will go off again. By the time you come here, you will not see this thing again. It would have gone. Now, if for any reason you discover that all the details you want in this ad is not what is here, you can still come back and adjust it. You just come here, okay, you click on this area and open it. Now you can see the edit button here. You click on this edit button, and whatever you want to change, you change it. After changing, you click on that same arrow that will be on the right side, on the lower part of it, the same one you used to make the post live. You click on that arrow under it, and your change will reflect. So that is it on how you can do this ad. I have used it and it has been effective for me to get people into my magnet account. So if you want people to join your team, you can also use it to boost your magnet. Okay, so that is it. If you feel that this video has been useful, please like it, share it with your friends, and leave a comment, please. We need this comment, we need this sharing, we need this like to keep encouraging us to know that this is an active YouTube channel. So also encourage those other people that are coming. Share it to people who you think it will be useful to, so that at the end, they too will benefit from it. Remember to check the comment area to get the referral link and the code for Xenea. And then if I still have that of Chat3, I will add. Otherwise, you can still create your account from Xenea to get your own Chat3. Thank you so very much. See you again in our next video.